Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin and Binance. Binance have promised they will be burning billions of Terra Classic Coin this year. Now, remember last year, Binance burned billions of Terra Classic Coin. Binance are the number one supporters of Terra Classic, and in terms of burning, they have been burning billions of Terra Classic Coin. We are yet to see other exchanges start burning, and I believe very soon we'll be seeing some exchanges like Kucoin and we'll be seeing them coming in to start burning Terra Classic Coin. Now, Binance have promised this year they will be supporting this coin and they are ready to burn billions of Terra Classic Coin. We are expecting over 1 trillion Terra Classic Coin to be burned before the end of the year. Now, I believe with Binance, of course, definitely that number might even increase more. Binance are the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, and Binance founder CZ has been supporting Terra Classic Coin. And CZ not just supporting this coin, he owns Terra Classic Coin, and he has promised Terra Classic holder that they will keep supporting. And remember the fact that last year he actually tweeted and said, "We still have our Terra Classic Coin. We are not even selling." That simply means Binance are also holding their coin. Binance are not even ready to sell off. And a lot of people actually buy the idea. Some people are looking up to Binance. If Binance can decide to hold on to their coins, I think let us hold on to our coins. Terra Classic, I believe, with the way things are going, will definitely hit a massive increase in price very soon. I love Terra Classic Coin for the fact that this coin, even though despite the crash, the developers never give up. They've been trying on their best to make sure that this coin bounce back. And right now, Binance also be supporting this coin, and I believe before the end of the year, we might be seeing Terra Classic burning trillions of Terra Classic coin. And I believe that we are seeing Terra Classic also hitting massive increase in price in terms of price and in terms of market cap. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.